How's it going, everybody? I'm going to go ahead and show you something super cool that I just learned, which is how do you take your phone, in this case an Android phone, and share the screen with your machine. Now, I'm using a Windows 10 machine, and I'm using a Samsung Android phone, so it may be a little bit different depending on your specific setup, but it's really, really easy to do. So go ahead and check this out. Um, wow, that just made everything bigger or rearranged it, whatever. Here's my desktop. You can see a lot of stuff on it. Um, if you go to Connect, there's a Connect app that's built right into Windows. So that's all you have to do. Now, on my phone, uh, there is an option, which I'll show you where it's at, called Smart View. Sometimes it's known as Miracast, depending on your device. And what it's going to do is, as long as it's on the same wireless network, you're going to be able to connect. So now here's my screen. I'm scrolling around. You can see my home screen, all that. But let me show you where this setting is. Um, it's at least in my case, I rearranged it, but it's over here in the bottom right. The little two arrowy thingies is the SmartCast, and that's all you have to do. So now it's easy enough to go ahead and give people a tutorial, give them a walkthrough of whatever you're trying to do on mobile, and life is easy. So anyway, that is how you cast your Android phone to your Windows screen, and everybody can see it.